Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkulisi Wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. First half Bafana Bafana 2 Rwanda nil. Bafana Bafana ngabe ikore more goals laphana bafowethu first half. I mean uApholis uthole golden opportunity bambamba laphana, but a good play mabaqala laphana ukungena egroundini. Babonisile ngempela sense of urgency nanokuthi bayafuna ngempela ukwashaya amagoli. Yabona beba attacker serious. Orlando Pirates hitman awumyeki lo muntu umbatha, awumyeki ashuthe bafowethu. There is no way ngoba uzokulimaza, uzokuphanisha ulishaya phakathi kumbatha. That's 1-0 to Orlando Pirates, and then later on uApholis washaya igoli elihle kakhulu bafowethu. I mean ngithi ngiyabheka ngale ngibukela ngale iNigeria nawo first half leader 2-0 kusho ukuthi iBenin kumele ilokhu njani ikore 2 goals or 3 goals ukuthi iwine igame and then ikwazi uku-advance to i-World Cup. At the same time iNigeria nayo seyine-chance-ke manje ukuthi iye kuma-playoffs mayingashaya 3 goals or 4 goals seyine-chance iye kuma-playoffs we-World Cup, so nabo bazoba serious kakhulu. Sobona laphana second half ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani, but so far so good for iBafana Bafana. Let's hope ayikho into edramatic ezokwenzeka laphana second half bafethu ngoba ibhola liyaginqika, but yeah, good control laphana eswini. Ba-make sure ngempela ukuthi benze izinto zenzeka abafana. I mean what I saw sebayishayileke le 2 goals, but-ke they let Rwanda come to them, and then I could see ukuthi okay ngaba na something Rwanda creator, so they have to just bury the game, they score maybe 3rd goal and then game ke lapho sesiyazi ukuthi iphele ngempela. So bona second half mebabuya abafana ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani. So far so good for iBafana Bafana. An injury for iBafana Bafana bafethu, that's not good at all. I mean ukuthola injury kule stage lesi of the competition, nalaba serious khona bafethu bafuna ukulona ukwina khona. I mean uMorena ufakwe laphana phambili udlala ku-unfamiliar position vele yakhe, but-ke beka provide ispeed laphana ngebhadi-ke umfana walimala bafethu. That's just unfortunate for iBafana Bafana ukuthi umfana avela limale kanje, and considering the fact that uMorena bafethu ubuya vele ku-injury, so that's not a good thing for him as an individual ukuthi aphinde alimale futhi because of ilokhu njana bafethu. iMamelodi Sundowns they're counting on him ukuthi enze abe right, ubuya ku-long injury emhluphile for some time, so yeah ngimfisela inhlanhla bafethu ukuthi angathinteki kakhulu, yabo i-injury yakhe ingabi that difficult, akwazi ukurecover in record time or ngesikhathi akwazi ngempela ukwazi ukulwela iMamelodi Sundowns ku-league, ukulwela iMamelodi Sundowns ku-CAF, ukuyilwela nje overall kuwo wonke ama-competitions laphana. Sobona ukuthi ekugcineni iyozala nkomani bafethu. We are anticipating ilokhu njana i-second half, sobona ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani. So far so good. iNigeria ayenza izinto zenzeke laphana bafethu, ayikho phela into enje namhlanje sifavor iNigeria bafethu, so sobona ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike ni subscribe, making sure bafethu ukuthi le page lifika ku 15,000 subscribers.